How to hide highlights on Instagram without posting a story. With that, you have to open your Instagram account on your Instagram app, then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Go to three line icon at top right corner. On the settings and activity page, scroll down and under who can see your content, you have to open hide story and live and open it, and you have to search your own another ID, or you can also choose any of your friends. Right now I'm selecting my own another ID here of Instagram, and I have hidden my story and live from my own account. Let's come back from here and go to close friends, and you have to tap on search, and you have to search your own ID that you have hidden just now, or the account that you selected before. Now let's tap on the button. Once you have done that, come back from the settings and activities page and go to home screen of Instagram and tap on your story and add any story of your choice. Once you have added any photo or video to your story, now you have to select close friends, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Before that, you can customize your story as well. Now, since you have hidden the story and live from the next account or the another account, and you have chosen your own ID to your close friend, now that another ID won't be able to see your story that you posted. So now, when you open your story, you can tap on highlights at the bottom right corner and tap on new and give a name to this new highlight. Now tap on add. Once you have done that, let's view on profile. Let's refresh this page, and as you can see that we have successfully added highlight on a story without posting on a story, because nobody will be able to see our story. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.